Good morning, everybody. I would like to welcome you in our lecture of engineering graphics and CAD. In previous lecture, we have just enlisted the position about the projection of line. The first position of line is line parallel to both HP and VP. Second line is the line perpendicular to VP and parallel to HP. Third position of the line is a line perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP. Fourth line is a line parallel to VP and inclined to HP by theta degree. Fifth line is line parallel to HP and inclined to VP by phi degree. Sixth line is a line parallel to PP and inclined to both HP and VP. But there is a condition that inclination with the HP and VP, that is theta plus phi, must be equal to 90 degree. And the seventh line is line inclined to once again both HP and VP, but there is a condition that theta plus phi is not equal to 90 degree. These 7 lines we need to study in this particular lecture. And I request you that you will have to please pin me and our screen wherever is required, so that you can observe the practical orientation of such a lines and you can understand in better way. In previous lecture, we have started with the first type of the line, that line parallel to both HP and VP. And I have provided such kind of the system, such kind of the arrangement to understand these both line parallel to HP and VP. So this is the HP. I will hold this. It will be understood by you very easily. This is the HP and this is the VP. Okay. This is the HP and this is the VP. And consider that it is a line. Now you are the observer. This is the object. And we have hold it in between observer and plane. Object is in between observer and plane. You are the observer and this is the plane. This is the object. And I have hold this particular line in this way. Okay. Now this line is parallel to HP and parallel to VP. Parallel, it means if you will expand this horizontal plane by infinite distance, and if you will expand this particular line also in infinite distance, then this line and your HP is not going to intersect at all. Because when two objects are parallel to each other, they cannot meet to each other at infinite distance. This is our basic assumption. Now, this line, which is parallel to HP, is simultaneously parallel to VP also. ये जो line है, वो HP को तो parallel है, और simultaneously this line is parallel to VP also. ये parallel है VP को भी. तो VP को भी ये जो line है, वो line कहीं भी cut नहीं करती है. Okay, it is not going to intersect. So that's why such a line is known as a perfect parallel line. And in front view, you can see that one horizontal line you can observe in front view. And when we are discussing about the top view, okay, top view में इसकी जो image होगी वो HP पे आएगी. And when you will rotate, you can assume that on HP also a perfect horizontal line can be observed. And these two front view and top view both are providing the original length. ये जो horizontal line है, ये horizontal line आपको ओरिजिनल लेंथ दिखाती है. लाइन की जो भी ओरिजिनल लेंथ हो, ये ओरिजिनल लेंथ दिखाती है. Simultaneously, when you will look this particular line from the side view, ये लाइन मैंने यहां होल्ड करके रखी है, और जब आप उसको साइड से देखेंगे, यहां से देखेंगे, then what you are going to observe, you can observe a point. okay, यहाँ क्या दिखता है, सिर्फ पॉइंट दिखता है, लाइन। ये लाइन फॉर्मेट में साइड व्यू में नहीं दिखती है। so this particular first type we will have to draw, we will have to put on our in our drawing book. okay, so let us start to draw this first position of the line. okay, on your in your notebook. First of all, give the heading. First heading, here we can write number 1, line parallel to both HP and VP. okay, this is the first type, and how we will have to draw it, I'll tell you. First of all, I will use the different colors, but that is not at all needed in your case. For your understanding, I am using the different color, but you will have to draw all the things with the lead pencil. okay, so this is the XY line. Faint, you will have to draw it. This is our XY line. Immediately give the name X and Y. okay, here once again you will have to draw a perfect perpendicular axis at one of its side. okay, and you can name this axis as X1 Y1. why it is? Because we want to draw it's a side view also. okay, so when there is a front view, we can draw a line over here. This line must be dark one. This is our front view of line AB. okay, so this is A1, sorry, A1, not A1, A dash. This point is B dash. okay, you will have to draw now projector passing through those points, end points. Projector must be perpendicular to the XY line. Then top view of line AB. Give the name to the top view, A, B. okay, so this is my front view. This view behind below XY line is my top view. And now we have told that in a side view we are getting the point view, and now we will draw it, and automatically you will come to know that how side view will come. What you will have to do, you will have to draw exact 45 degree line passing through this particular quadrant. अब मेरे पास एंगल मेजर करने के लिए कुछ नहीं है, तो मैं साइमल्टेनियसली वो ड्रॉ कर देता हूं. At 45 degree, you must draw a line. This particular angle must be 45. Where should I write? Okay. Now, what I will do, look carefully. I will extend this A dash B dash locus, sorry, AB locus up to this XY line. Here, where it intersects to 45-degree line, from that point, I will draw a projector. It means what I have done here, look carefully. I have taken its locus in this direction, and then I have projected it in upward direction. From the point of intersection of locus of top view and inclined line at 45 degree. And in a same time, at the same time, what I'm going to do, I will extend the locus from this particular A dash B dash, and the direction of extending locus is towards this profile plane. Okay, now this A dash B dash point and the projector point of AB intersects over here, and this particular view or this particular intersection is nothing but a point. Here you can observe a point. Okay, and this particular point is named as A double dash and this point is also B double dash. This view which is coming to our right hand side is known as LHSV, that is nothing but left hand side view. So about this particular diagram or about this first case, we can write that front view is above XY line, top view is below XY line. Both the front view line and top view line are parallel to XY line, and it gives true length. Left hand side view or right hand side view will be a point view, and this information we can gather from this first position of the line parallel to both HP and VP. Have you understood it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah, please draw it in your notebook fast.
Yes, sir.
So write down. Note. TL is equal to true length or actual length. True length or actual length. True length or actual length. AL AL is equal to apparent length. Apparent length. Apparent length. Apparent length means visible length. Visible length. Visible length. Okay. Visible length. Then below those notes, write down first point. In above case, front view is above XY. Front view is above XY and parallel to XY and parallel to XY, which gives true length. Which gives true length. Which gives true length. Number 2, top view is below XY. Top view is below XY and parallel to XY and parallel to XY and gives true length. True length. Number 3, LHSV or RHSV is point view. LHSV or RHSV is a point view which can be observed, in profile plane. Which can be observed in profile plane. Which can be observed in a profile plane. Okay. Now, second type of the line we will study. And the second type of the line is line perpendicular to VP and parallel to HP. Give the heading: line perpendicular to the VP and parallel to HP. Line perpendicular to VP, parallel to HP. Fast. Now look everybody towards board. This is the same first quadrant system. You are the observer and this is the second type of the line. Okay. So this line is perpendicular to the VP. ये देखिए VP को यानी वर्टिकल प्लेन जो है आपका, इस वर्टिकल प्लेन को ये लाइन क्या है? परपेंडिकुलर है. ओके. एंड इट इज पैरेलल टू HP साइमल्टेनियसली. ये जो HP है आपका, इस HP को वो पैरेलल है लेकिन VP को परपेंडिकुलर है, यानी कि VP को ये 90 डिग्री में कट करती है. ओके. It is cutting to the VP at 90 degree exactly over here where I am indicating my finger. Okay, here it is 90 degree inclined to VP, but it is parallel to HP. ये parallel है HP को, यानी कि ये लाइन कितनी भी अगर हमने बढ़ा दी तो it will cut to the VP, but it will not cut to the HP. Then we will see how this line will look. Okay. So this line, you are the observer. This is the line, that is object, and this is the vertical plane. आप मुझे बताइए कि सामने से जब आप इस लाइन को देखेंगे तो आपको क्या दिखेगा?
Point.
What is observed over here from front view?
Point, sir. Point,
Yes,
sir.
exactly. In front view, the line which is perpendicular, you can see by on yourself. You can hold your pencil in this particular manner. Okay. you can consider yourself as a VP, and the floor on which you are sitting, that is HP, and this is the line which is perpendicular to the VP and parallel to the HP. And from front view, what is observed? A point is observed. And what is observed in a top view? Just to see, if this is the object, its top view will lie on VP, on HP, and when you will rotate it, you can see a vertical line in the top view. यानी कि जब आपका लाइन परपेंडिकुलर टू वीपी और पैरेलल टू एचपी होता है, तो फ्रंट व्यू में आपको क्या दिखता है? पॉइंट दिखता है, और टॉप व्यू में आपको क्या दिखेगा? एक वर्टिकल लाइन दिखेगी. इज इट क्लियर टू एवरीबॉडी? नाउ वी विल ड्रॉ इट इन एक्चुअल on our engineering drawing book. Okay. Give the heading. This is the second number line. Second type or second position of the line is line perpendicular to VP and parallel to HP. So first of all, we need to draw the XY line. We'll have to name immediately to this line X, and here you can name Y. And as I have mentioned, you can get a point over here. You can draw a projector through this particular point. And you will get a line exactly on this particular projector. The front view is nothing but the point view. And here we can name this particular point as A dash and here only the point B dash will come. But here you will have to name A and here we will have to name B. A and B. Now this particular view above XY line is your front view and below XY line is your top view. Front view is the point view when line is perpendicular, and top view is the line view, that vertical line view, when it is parallel to HP. So this is all about the second case. And here the line mentioned in the top view will provide you the true length. आपको ट्रू लेंथ कौन सी लाइन देती है? AB देती है. एक्चुअल लेंथ हमें टॉप व्यू में दिखाई देती है। ओके, ड्रॉ इट इन योर नोटबुक इमीडिएटली। In above case, front view is above xy. Front view is above xy and indicating a point view and indicating a point view in front view. In front view, full stop. It will not give any of the length. It will not give any of the length. Then next line, write down. Top view is below xy. Top view is below xy. Top view is below xy. And it gives true length. True length. True length. True length. True length. True length. Okay, now we will move towards next part or the next type of our drawing. Okay, next position of the line, and this is exactly opposite. Now you know that this is the HP and this is the VP. So I'll take one line in this particular fashion. Okay, this line is perpendicular to HP but parallel to VP. Can you see it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this
Yes, sir.
line, if I will put in this manner, so this is perpendicular to HP. HP को ये perpendicular है, horizontal plane को ये perpendicular है, ground को ये perpendicular है, but it is parallel to this VP. लेकिन इस VP को क्या है, ये parallel है. आप इसे कितना भी बढ़ाइए, ये 90 डिग्री में HP को कट करेगा, लेकिन VP को ये लाइन कट नहीं कर सकती है. So in front view, you can observe a line, true length, original length of this particular line you can see in a front view, because your line is lying in this particular manner. You can see its original length in the front view. Okay, but in top view, what you are going to see? Point. Exactly. Yes, means exactly opposite to the second type of the position we can experience in this third type, and this third type is line perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP. Let us see it, how we will have to draw it on in our engineering drawing book. Okay, so we will start to mention, we'll start to draw this line in our notebook. Number 3, line perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP. Line perpendicular to HP and parallel to the VP. How to draw this line? You will have to start with me. First of all, you will have to draw an XY line. Immediately name to this line X, Y. Here one can see a point view in this top view. Then you must draw a projector passing through it. And here you can put your line. Immediately you can name to this particular line. Here you can see in a top view, point view A and B point will lie here only. And here you can name as A dash. This will be your B dash. This view is known as front view, and this view is your top view. And in front view, you will get the true length of the line. Original length you can observe in the front view. So this is the third position of the line. Okay, have you understood it?
Yes, sir.
So please,
Yes, sir.
yes, please draw this line in your notebook. Write down. In this position of line, front view is above XY line. Front view is above XY line and gives true length and top view is below XY line top view is below XY line and it gives point view It means length is not visible in a top view. Length is not visible in top view. Length is not visible in top view. Now we will move towards fourth position of line, and that is line parallel to VP and inclined to HP by theta degree. Always keep in mind, when line is inclined to HP, the inclination with the HP is always theta. जो HP के साथ लाइन इंक्लिनेशन करती है, उस इंक्लिनेशन को हम ऑलवेज थीटा के नाम से जानते हैं, उसे जाना जाता है. जब भी मैं कहूं कि एंगल इज थीटा, इट मीन्स दिस इज द इंक्लिनेशन विथ HP. HP के साथ आपकी लाइन जो एंगल बनाती है, उसे हम थीटा कह के पुकारते हैं. we are calling that particular angle as a theta. And here they have provided that line is parallel to VP first. So this is the VP. Line parallel को VP को parallel होनी चाहिए. Okay. So first of all, what I will do, I will keep this line parallel to VP. And now it is inclined to HP by theta degree. तो HP को ये जो लाइन इंक्लाइंड होगी तो मैं इसे ऐसे इंक्लाइन कर सकता हूं. Have you understood it? Line first of all parallel to VP. VP को पैरेलल ही रखा है मैंने. VP को मैंने पैरेलल ही रखा है, लेकिन HP को इंक्लाइंड करती है. ओके, ये लाइन HP को इंक्लाइंड करती है. VP को पैरेलल है, लेकिन इट मींस इट विल नॉट कट द VP, बट इट कैन कट HP व्हेन वी विल एक्सटेंड. ये देखिए, ये जो लाइन है, ये अगर मैंने नीचे की तरफ बढ़ाई तो क्या कर सकती है? HP को कट कर सकती है. ओके, मींस इट इज इंक्लाइंड टू HP एंड पैरेलल टू VP. Now you can see that in front view, you can see the original length of this line. जब ये लाइन पैरेलल टू VP होती है और इंक्लाइंड टू HP होती है, तो उसकी ओरिजिनल लेंथ आपको फ्रंट व्यू में दिखाई देती है. लेकिन टॉप व्यू में क्या दिखाई देता है? टॉप व्यू में मुझे हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन दिखाई देती है, और वो भी रिड्यूस्ड लेंथ की हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन दिखाई देती है. इस टाइप का लाइन समझने के लिए आपको खुद को ये एक्सरसाइज घर में करना पड़ेगा. Simultaneously with me also, you can do it with your notebook and with your pen. You can hold this particular your pen according to this, and you can incline it by the thing which I am showing to you. So इसका जो फ्रंट व्यू है वो आएगा इंक्लाइंड लाइन, और इसे जब आप टॉप से देखेंगे तो आपको उसकी एक साइड ऊपर आई हुई नजर होगी और दूसरी साइड जो है वो नीचे नजर आती होगी. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
एक साइड जो है उसकी ऊपर नजर आती है और एक साइड नीचे, जब आप ऊपर से देखते हो. और अगर आपने यहां से एक आंख मूंद कर इसे देखा तो आपको समझ में आएगा कि एक हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन आएगी और वो रिड्यूस्ड लेंथ की होगी. इट विल नॉट इंडिकेट द ओरिजिनल लेंथ. इन टॉप व्यू you can get the horizontal line and it will not indicate the original length. And when any line is not indicating its original length, that length is known by the name of the apparent length. Okay, so this particular 4th, 5th, 6th and 7th type we are going to cover it tomorrow, because we need more time, and I don't want to approach on second lecture. I want to give you a proper break. So that's why today we have studied these 3 particular types, and we have enlisted also the 4th, 5th and 6th, 7th type. We will see it in the next lecture. Okay, so time being, thank you very much for attending this lecture. Have a nice day.